Hi friends, so welcome back to my channel. Today is the day that we announce the winner. Well, I announced my channel winner to our 2023 Halloween Pink Spells YouTube Hop and giveaway. I think I got the title right. Anywho, yeah, first I want to take a moment and thank all of you who participated, who came by to check out our hop and our ideas. And by the way, I still have that mini album that I'm showing right now. I still have it in my store, and right now I am running a 15% off in my store. So yeah, you might want to go ahead and check it out. And if you haven't picked up your Pink Spells paper collection as of yet, and a lot of you already have, if you just don't happen to win it this time around, you might want to go ahead and pick it up today, because it is marked 15% off right now, along with the fussy cutting images. And so, yeah, without further ado, oh yeah, another reminder. Oh gosh, my head is all over the place. So, what I'd like to let you know is that after you see my video, go ahead and hop on over to the other ladies' channels, and you're going to find the links to everybody's channels in the description area down below. And so, yeah, just go ahead and also visit Jenny Craft Creations. She's the one who's going to announce the grand prize winner. Okay, so now, for the third and last time, without further ado, my winner is, drum roll please, Yvonne Alviso. Yvonne, go ahead and contact me at my email address. I'll go ahead and set it right down below. And what I'm going to need is your mailing address so that I can go ahead and mail you the collection along with the fussy cutting images. So yeah, thank you all so very much for watching, and we will see you once again real soon. And go ahead and check out my website, and there will be more giveaways to come.